How to use CEMSEAL Cemcoat? Cemcoat is a universal solution as an acrylic-based interior and exterior wall primer and emulsion. As a primer, applying Cemcoat as a primer is an important step in preparing surfaces for painting as it helps in creating smooth and uniform surface. As an emulsion or paint, Cemcoat is a popular choice as an emulsion due to its unparalleled value for money equation. It is economical, easy to use, and durable. Here is a step-by-step guide to use Cemcoat. Clean the wall surface thoroughly to remove dust, dirt, grease, and old leftover primer or paint. Allow the surface to dry completely. Repair any cracks, holes, or imperfections in the wall with CEMSEAL Crackfill and Crackfill Plus or SBR Super Latex if needed. Sand down rough areas until smooth. Open the can of Cemcoat. Add appropriate dosage of water if needed to dilute for primer or emulsion. And stir it thoroughly using a mixing machine. This ensures that any settled pigments are evenly distributed throughout Cemcoat. For emulsion use, you can add pigments of your choice with help of stainer. Dip the paint brush or roller into Cemcoat and start coating evenly. Allow it to dry for 24 to 48 hours depending on moisture in the weather. Make sure that coat doesn't get wet due to rain or other ways before 48 hours of application. Once the coating is dry, apply second coat if needed. If you are using Cemcoat as a primer and emulsion, both 3 coats total would be sufficient in place of 2 coats of primer and 2 coats of paint. You can have Cemcoat as a colored primer too, with help of stainer and mixing machine. Clean your tools once work is done. Contact us on 9099 266 166 or info@cemseal.net in case of any need.